Welcome to Sounds Heavenly. I've been longing to show you what's behind this blind for quite some time. I'm really proud of this. It's my new Bang Olufsen collection in the man cave room, and this is something that my wife hasn't seen yet, so please come and join me. Be the first for the unveiling. I suspect I'm going to be in a lot of trouble when Lynn sees this video. My name's Steve. If you haven't already seen the channel, my day job is making the cables that connect Bang & Olufsen products. As you'll have gathered by now, I'm a very keen B&O collector as well, so without further ado, let me show you some of the new items in the collection. So, here we have, amongst other things, the Be A Sound shape. We've got the stage, the latest Harmony 88 TV, which I'm really pleased with. And you'll see that we've got John and Simon from Bang & Olufsen of Manchester, who've been setting up and curating the collection for me. So, yes, thank you. Thanks, John. He's done a brilliant job here setting this up, although, yeah, great. We were hoping that this would actually be ready in time for today's video, so I do apologise. This has gone a little bit behind schedule. However, the more astute amongst you will notice that I've modelled the collection here exactly on the new layout at Bang & Olufsen of Manchester. So when they reopen on the 12th of April in their store, this is the exact store layout that you'll see. So I'd definitely recommend going to have a look at this. I'm hoping that their store will be ready, unlike mine. John, please, will you get this finished? Yes, thank you. I'm sorry that this isn't quite finished. In fact, a little bit embarrassing. Let's cover that up and we'll bring this back on camera again when it's ready. But please rest assured, John's new store at B&O Manchester will be ready when he opens on 12th of April. So you'll be able to see the same layout that he set up for me here in the man cave in person at B&O Manchester when they reopen. So a big thank you to John and Simon for curating my B&O collection here, even if it isn't quite ready for the video. And if you haven't already seen John's channel, please have a look here. You'll see a link to his channel, and also just here his latest video reviewing the B&O Play Portal headphones, and you'll see some of John's skills on the Xbox. Thank you for watching and happy April Fool's Day.